Hey makers and tech enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of precision and power with the top soldering stations you need for your electronics projects. Whether you're fixing, building, or creating, stick around to find the perfect station for your workbench. Let's solder like a pro.
Number 3. 2-in-1 LCD digital soldering and rework station. Compatible with original C210/C115 tips. Precision temperature control, professional repair tool for AIXUN T3602. Key features: 2-in-1 soldering and rework design. Combines a high-precision soldering iron and an efficient rework function in one device. Ideal for component removal, micro-jump wire repair, and detailed PCB work. Compatible with original C210 and C115 tips. C210, perfect for fine soldering, SMD components, pads, and micro-circuits. C115, ultrafine precision for IC pins, CPU/GPU repair, micro-jump wires. Designed to work seamlessly with AIXUN T3602 handles and accessories. High-voltage rapid heating technology. Reaches working temperature in seconds, improving efficiency and reducing waiting time during repair jobs. Number 2. The AIFEN A9 Plus is a high-performance smart soldering station designed for electronics technicians, repair professionals, and hobbyists who demand fast heating, stable temperature control, and wide-tip compatibility. Supporting T210, T245, and T115 handle types, this station delivers exceptional versatility for micro-soldering, PCB repair, rework, and precision electronics assembly. Fire key features: high-voltage wide-handle compatibility, 210/245/115. Works seamlessly with multiple handle types. T210 for precision micro-soldering. T245 for medium to heavy-duty work. T115 for ultrafine components. Perfect for mobile repair, PCB rework, BGA work, and general electronic soldering. Fire ultra-fast heating and response. Advanced temperature control system delivers rapid heat up and stable performance, ensuring consistent soldering quality even during heavy use. Thermometer precision temperature control. Adjustable temperature with plus or minus accuracy for delicate electronics, allowing stable, repeatable performance without damaging sensitive components. The AIXUN T320 is a high-performance 200W soldering and rework station designed for electronics technicians and mobile repair professionals. With ultra-fast 2-second heating, wide compatibility with T245 and C210 soldering handles, and stable temperature control, this station makes precision soldering and PCB rework faster, easier, and more reliable. Fire key features: high-voltage, ultra-fast 2-second heating. Rapid heating system allows the soldering iron to reach working temperature in just 2 seconds, reducing downtime and increasing repair efficiency. Thermometer precision temperature control. Stable temperature output ensures consistent soldering quality without damaging sensitive electronic components. Adjustable digital temperature control allows precise operation for micro-soldering and fine electronics work. Hammer and wrench compatible with T245 and C210 handles. Supports multiple soldering handles for different applications. T245 handle, heavy-duty or standard PCB soldering. C210 handle, precision micro-soldering for ICs, pads, and fine components.